Charging power convenience. Charge 2 mobile phones simultaneously with 2 USB Type-A charging ports and a bonus tamper-resistant outlet. Reduces cord clutter. Keeps your kitchen counter free from bulky adapters. Protects children. Patented shutter system helps prevent improper insertion of foreign objects, now with black invisi-shutters for an invisible effect preferred by end users. Stylishly easy upgrade. Replaces any standard and/or old outlet with ease. Seamlessly complete your project or remodel. Matches other Radiant devices and screwless wall plates by Legrand, pass Seymour. Function and style. As part of the Radiant collection by Legrand, our switches are a step up from the standard with convenient operation and sleek aesthetics that complement today's homes. Complete the look with a matching screwless wall plate, sold separately. Tamper-resistant. Protects children. Patented shutter system helps prevent improper insertion of foreign objects, now with black invisi-shutters for an invisible effect preferred by end users. Color options. Available in a wide variety of colors to complement any decor. We even have metallic finishes like graphite, nickel, and dark bronze to match your light fixtures, cabinet hardware, and faucets. Power-packed. Charge without bulky AC adapters. Includes two 5-volt DC USB ports that work with USB 2.0 3.0 compatible devices. 3.1A total USB charging capability shared between both ports. Durability. High-impact resistant thermoplastic construction and long-term blade retention for extended service life. Easy installation. Replaces any standard outlet. All you need is 15 minutes and a screwdriver. Back and side wire terminals accommodate number 10-14 Aruban Florins stranded and solid copper wire for installation flexibility. Top reviews from the United States. Looks and works perfectly. Blends in perfectly with my island cabinet color and works perfectly as described.